Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to redact a specific word or character in a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Open your PDF file and click on this tools option and scroll down. Here you will find this redact option. Select. Now click on the redaction arrow and click on this properties option and select appearance option. Here you can change this redaction color. I set this gray color and select OK. Now again click on this arrow and here you will find this find text and redact. Click here, select OK, and you can redact all PDF document or current document already selected, and you can select multiple word or phrase. I'll select single word or phrase and type your reduction word which one you want to redact. I'll select this off and this whole word also. I select this article the. Now select search and remove text and check all and select here mark check result for reduction and see this. All of this the articles now selected and see this, and finally select apply. Okay, now save as a PDF file, folder location and save, and see this an specific word now redacted. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.